Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Kaz, and this is my random YouTube channel. I have another channel if you guys know me, some of you guys in my personal circle. I have a fragrance channel that's different, that's Kingdom Perfumes. Go ahead and check that out. I will link it somewhere in the video. But today on my regular channel, I just review a bunch of different things that are of interest to me, and I am actually going on a wonderful, awesome missions trip to Glasgow, Scotland. Now, as any of you guys know, when you're going out of country or out of town, you love to have all of your things lined up, like your clothing, your chargers, etc. Well, portable chargers are one of the best things that you can get yourself if you're going out of the country or any amount of time away from home. And that brings me to what I want to talk about today, and that is the RIDGE Powerbank. So here's the RIDGE Powerbank right here. This is the box it comes in. Don't worry, there's going to be some B-roll on the screen for y'all to follow along as I open this thing. But yeah, you guys know Marquez Brownlee, MKBHD. I bought this because I saw a commercial on YouTube, just minding my business. He popped up in the commercial. I was like, oh, look at this power bank. And I was like, you know what? I'm about to travel soon. Let me check it out. And I just went for it. It's rugged. It looks like, comfortable to the touch. And I'm just going to open it for you guys right now. It just comes out like this, and to be honest, I'm gonna do all of this again in the B-roll, so don't even worry. I'm not gonna read all the features. Okay, maybe I'll read all the features for you guys. You got fast MagSafe wireless charging up to 15 watts. You got fast charging with 20-watt power delivery. You got 10,000 milliamp capacity. So this thing is a beast. It's pretty much a big brick, like the size of a small portable hard drive. You can put it in like a crossbody bag, it can fit in a pocket if you want to do that. You can put it in any small bag. It's really compact, and that's what I really like about it too. It has a built-in USB-C, you got built-in lightning cable, you have a LED charge status indicator, you'll see all of that. The Kickstand is a really cool feature, and for all of you Apple Watch lovers, it has an Apple Watch charger right in the middle. So we're gonna get rid of this box. It opens like this, all right? And, normal box, nice packaging. You got your little pamphlet with instructions here, and I like the little velvet protection that it comes in. To be honest, if I go like that, it's really secure in there. Like, you have to put your finger in these two side tabs to kind of dig it out, so that's pretty comfortable. But this is, and mind you, I've already taken this out, so it's not like super brand new, but I haven't used it yet. All I did was charge it and put it back in the box because I knew I wanted to review this, talk about it for you guys, for people that are looking for a portable charger and they want to see what this thing looks like before they buy it. I am like that. I love watching reviews of things so I can see what it really will look like out of the box. And hopefully this helps you guys make that decision. This is not a sponsored video by RIDGE, just a customer that is happy so far with his purchase. So this is it, guys. A really slim form factor, all right? And I love how solid it feels. You're gonna see this braided texture along both sides of the device there. Hopefully you can see that. And that braided texture is just the wire, all right? Now, I really like that the wires for charging are built in, like they're literally inside the device itself. You cannot lose them. If you're somebody that loses the cables for these, I don't know what to tell you. You just can't be helped. But yes, so you get I can't dig it out right now, sorry guys, but USB-C, as you can see, braided to it. And then the other piece, now that I don't wanna hurt it, lightning, right? So right out of the box, you don't really have to dig for too much compatibility because you get two main pieces of compatibility right here out of the box, USB-C and a lightning, and those are stuck to the device. Like if you rip them out, you might break it. So that really helps you kind of charge anything you need to. And then you'll see your input power there when you want to charge the device, and it only has one button. Okay, just that one button. I'm gonna press it, and you get a nice little LED screen to show you what your percentage is. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, please don't quote me on the math, but based on the amount of voltage on this device, you can charge your smartphone up to 3 times on a single charge. Now, don't quote me on that because I have not used it. My trip is literally tonight. At the time you guys see this video, if I am excited enough, you might see this video today before I leave. If not, by the time you guys are watching this, I would have already gone and come back from my trip. So we will see. Yeah, so 3 different times. I'm gonna test this out. I'm really gonna be putting this to the test. We're gonna be out and about doing a lot of different things. Let's talk about this little circle real quick. So you got your MagSafe right there, Apple Watch chargers in the middle. I do not own an Apple Watch, unfortunately, so I can't show you guys that. And the last piece is the kickstand. All right, so you can like flip the kickstand out, which is it's really tight, which is good because you want your phone to be secure. But you see that little kickstand popping out right there. All right, so you can literally stand the device up like that and put your phone on it, which is really good for displaying purposes. Or you can put it sideways like that with the kickstand. So that's essentially it, okay? It's just a portable charger, so there's not gonna be a whole lot to talk about. But in the same breath, this company, I've watched them for a while with their wallets. They do a good job with the build quality from what I can see from a distance. This is my first RIDGE product and I'm happy with it so far. I like how it feels. It makes me feel like I bought something good. You know, like you want to spend money and feel that you got a good value. All right. This wasn't dirt cheap, but it wasn't super expensive. About 75 bucks you can get this. So I'm going to put it to the test and maybe I'll do an update video to let you guys know how it goes. Well, it's Kaz. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks for tuning in and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care. Peace.